MQ-25 Stingray is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Boeing for the United States Navy. Its primary role is to provide aerial refueling to other aircraft, such as the Navy's F-35C Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler, and F-35C Lightning II. The MQ-25 was developed as part of the Navy's Carrier-Based Aerial Refueling System (CBARS) program, which aimed to develop a carrier-based UAV capable of aerial refueling. In August 2018, the Navy awarded Boeing an $805 million contract to design, develop, and build the MQ-25. The MQ-25 is powered by a single Rolls-Royce AE 3007N turbofan engine and has a wingspan of approximately 67 feet, 20 meters. It is equipped with an aerial refueling system that includes a hose and drogue system, allowing it to refuel multiple aircraft in midair. The UAV is also designed to be carrier compatible, with a reinforced airframe and landing gear that can withstand the stresses of carrier landings. The MQ-25 is expected to enter service in the mid-2020s and will be the Navy's first operational carrier-based UAV. It is intended to extend the range of carrier-based aircraft, allowing them to operate further from the carrier and increasing their time on station. The MQ-25 Stingray program had achieved some success in its development and testing phases. In June 2021, Boeing announced that it had completed the first test flight of the MQ-25 with an aerial refueling store, (ARS), which is the system used to transfer fuel from the MQ-25 to the receiver aircraft. This milestone marked an important step forward in the development of the MQ-25 and demonstrated the aircraft's ability to carry out its primary mission of aerial refueling. In addition, the Navy had conducted several test flights of the MQ-25 with F/A-18 Super Hornets and F-35C Lightning II aircraft, which provided valuable data on the aircraft's performance and capabilities. The purpose of this testing is to evaluate the MQ-25's ability to safely and effectively conduct aerial refueling operations with a range of different aircraft types. During these flight tests, the MQ-25 was able to demonstrate its ability to transfer fuel to the receiver aircraft using its advanced aerial refueling system. These tests provided valuable data on the MQ-25's performance and capabilities, including its ability to autonomously navigate and communicate with other aircraft. The testing also allowed the Navy to evaluate the MQ-25's compatibility with different aircraft types and to identify any issues or challenges that need to be addressed during the aircraft's development and testing phases. The data gathered from these tests will be used to inform further development of the MQ-25 and its integration into the Navy's Carrier Strike Group operations. The MQ-25 Stingray represents a significant development in unmanned aerial vehicle technology and its application to military operations. The aircraft's primary mission of aerial refueling, combined with its potential ISR capabilities, will provide valuable support to carrier-based aircraft and increase the range and endurance of carrier strike groups. While the MQ-25 is still in the testing and development phase, its successful test flights and ongoing program milestones suggest a promising future for the aircraft and its role in future military operations. Overall, the MQ-25 Stingray is a testament to the ongoing innovation and advancement in military technology and its critical role in maintaining global security.